Make a great choice today with the 2019 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.